Catch number one. Welcome back to the channel, folks. It's Lake of Jigging time. Nice, pretty Champlain Lake Trout. Got him. Got him, bigger one. Champlain is a beast, folks. There we go, going back in. We have one goal today for each of us to catch a 30-inch master angler lake trout for Vermont. So 30 inches is master angler. Champlain is full of them, but there's a lot of ones that are like 28, 29, and just that little extra inch is sometimes difficult. So that is our goal today. Hopefully we can get them. And we're doing a second run, or kind of a third run, of the big bait kit. Now, I've sold a ton of these. I said I was gonna do a limited release, and I'm getting email after email after email saying to do another release because people are telling their buddies and friends. So I'm gonna do another release of them. I don't know how many I'm gonna do. They're a pretty big kit, and it's well worth the money. So today we're jigging on Champlain here. Oh my goodness, they're being really finicky today. I'm not really sure why. But we're at 19 fish already, and we've done another video real quick. Jason's about to catch one. Oh my goodness, he's... Did he? There's 3-4 down there right now. Got another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the screen right now. Mine's a big one. I almost goosed you with the net there.
I thought it was gonna happen. I was waiting for it.
That's being nice. Yeah, this is a bigger fish. 29 3/4, guys. Good. She's messed up a little, but not a lot.
Yep, that one just hit me on the drop.
Oh my goodness. Dang, about ripped the rod right out of my hand, man. And I still missed him. Oh, oh. Gotcha, you little freaking dink. There we go, beauty. Oh, mine's off. Helping you, handicap. I know there's 7 or 8 down there now. Look at them all, guys. Woo, doggy. There's no way I'm not getting hooked up on this. Oh, you think, I can't see because Jason's freaking fish is burping all over the place. Oh no. What is going on? I just got hit next to the surface. Fatty, huh? Insane bite, guys. Insane, absolutely crazy. Literally a whole school just moved in. We're using LiveScope XR. We're down on 90 feet or so. Obviously the background's very obvious. If you know where I am, just kind of like don't disclose it. Jason's dropping fish back there.
Oh, look at the marks on the top.
Nice, Fatty. He's got some Lamprey bites. That was number 20 for today. Got a late start. We didn't start till about 8 o'clock. Oh my goodness, that one.
Do the same thing to you.
Slam. Yeah, he was going 1,000 miles an hour. Finally.
Still so many down there.
It's been a while. It's been a while, folks. And I put a tremendous amount of pressure on these fish, probably too much at some points. They love it though, and I love it. Very pretty 27-incher. Go, go, go. He's hot, he's hot, he's hot. He's cold, he's hot, he's hot. This one's hot. Got him. This one's teeth are getting raked in the line right now.
Damn
Another 22 or 23. Like a boss. Like a boss. Got another one. Doubles! Burp shark. Boat flip. It's a small one. That could be a 30, is it? No. Got him! There's like 6 or 7 down there right now. Oh, short, ain't he? 29er. Fatty, fatty, fatty. $28. We're trying, guys. We've only moved to a couple spots today, so a lot of times a spot will just continue the loading. This is one of those spots. And when we feel it gets really slow, we'll move 50, 60 feet or even like 100 yards sometimes and find new fish that are willing to bite. Got him. Big in, 29 incher.
Oh, it's good.
The beauty. You gotta help with the line in your mouth.
Come on. I see ya. Oh my God, that came in fast. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that is a good fish. Holy crap.
Let him run if he needs to.
Oh my God. This is a fish. Holy cow.
That's over 30, dude. That's 33 all day.
He might be my 10-pounder.
I'm right in the middle of an FG knot, guys, which is the only knot that you can't stop in the middle.
Oh, he's 31.
31, I told you he was over 30. Yeah, I saw him coming up. Nice fish, guys. Oh, nice burp. 31 incher. Nice fish. Nice fish. And he's gone. Nice, man. 10 pound. Is that your first?
Yeah, it is.
Here we go.
Oh.
Yes, guys.
Oh my God, I knew it was a good fish the minute
You can tell, man. You can tell.
He came in and just crushed it pretty easily.
Yeah, and the big one.
Could not hoist up.
No, the big ones you can't. You just can't move them. They just use their weight against you. You were huffing and puffing for that one, man. I was worried that you were gonna pass out on me.
my asthma going. That much gets my asthma going.
Luckily
that fish did.
my microphone can't hear the asthma stuff, but I can hear.
When I used to go out in my kayak with my chest mount, you could just hear
Oh yeah.
me.
People on YouTube are like, "You okay?"
You gonna make it, bro?
Right to 40 feet. They hit that thermocline and they say, "Bugger off," and they go right back down. Did I click that one? That's 35. 35 fish. He's got his 31 incher. I'm still going after my 30. I did catch a 29, right on the money, or 29 and a half or something silly earlier. To the boat launch. All right, we just made a micro move. Stopped on a laker. We're on kind of a ledge now. We're at, starts at like 110, goes down to 120. Jason's taking a nap back there and eating lunch.
A little dinky guy.
A good one. The spot was good, then we let him cool off. Gotta keep him fired up, guys. All right, now there's 4 or 5 of them just came in. Oh, he bumped it. Ugh. Waves. I don't know, sideways waves. Was it big one?
No, it wasn't.
No.
50 waves.
That's why I said waves. Doubles! Finally, guys!
That's a good fish. Oh, shit.
Only took a few arrows. I thought you had it. This is a big fish. Oh, that's 30. Another 30, guys. He's got me beat. Get in there. Get up close. Yeah, I don't care about 14-inch crappie. I mean, I do, but not as much as 10-pound lake trout. I guess my 20-pound knot helps. Oh, not a 30, but another one. And this is a stocked fish. See how he's missing his fin on this side? That's not a lamprey thing, that's a fin clip. So I'll see if I can find the chart, but Vermont has a stocking chart for lake trout, and they've had up to 50% success rate for return in the last year or two. So they might reduce the amount of lake trout that they stock, which is phenomenal. But Vermont just had all these floods, so who knows what's gonna actually happen. Ooh, there's a bunch of fish down there now. Yeah, I don't know how the smelt population is in here. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, he's gonna see you, there's 3 of them. We're just talking about a lamprey. This is a lamprey bite, that little red spot. And what happens is they have abrasive teeth, abrasive tongue. They actually like lick a hole through the fish, and they're parasitic. They'll actually drain the blood out of the fish. And their mouth looks like that, which is epically gross. All right, I'm gonna say we're gonna leave, folks. And then a bunch of fish are gonna show up.
Is there already fish right under us? Oh God.
Oh shit. That is ridiculous.
Look, there's already another one down there too.
And we just doubled up, folks. That is nuts. Mine too. That was just classic. And I wasn't even faking that, right, Jason? I was just like, there's no fish on the screen. We're gonna say we're gonna leave. Doubles, finally. An actual legit double, folks. Just saying I'm about to leave. And I just saw my jig. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he fully loaded that and I didn't feel it.
Oh my God, he just came right over and smashed mine. I didn't even have to move it.
I know, he like inhaled my jig and I'm like, what just happened? Like I literally didn't feel it.
I didn't think he was gonna come right over and eat mine. I wasn't gonna eat.
No, I knew what he was doing. He was amped. Show the camera now that he's dead.
Only half dead.
That was number 47. So what we're looking at is LiveScope Plus. We can see about 75 feet left and right, and about 120 feet down. And there's lake trout right below me. I'm gonna miss one in about 2 seconds. Oh yep, I have him. Oh, he's off. Didn't I say I was just gonna miss one?
Oh, he came back right after you.
I know, because I knew. If you smoke him again, go, 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 go. I knew that fish had it in its mouth, but I was trying to record the screen for you guys. And I almost asked you to hold the phone. And I probably would have landed it.
Yep, 100 feet.
Doubles. Doubles. This lake is absolutely ridiculous, folks.
Oh my God.
I saw that little
Wow.
head shake and then tried to run there.
Oh my God.
You need a 12-pound. Can you stop losing my jigs? I mean, you're paying for them, but I only have so many in the boat with me. Oh, mine's big. Right in the snoot. You missed. Oh, a fat one, guys. I love the fat ones. Nice white fins. This is a wild fish, folks. It's got all its fins. Fat and happy. Going right back down. Reel.
Oh God.
Smell like a beach. My goodness, that fish was so hot. Ah, fish was hot. He hit it 3 times, at least. He's not, oh, just popped the rod out of my wrist. Oh, he's big too, dude. And it's got a lamprey on, 2 lampreys on him. Fatosaurus, guys, Fatosaurus. Barb. That's not 30, right? No. See where the thermocline is, where it's like slightly different? Oh, there's 2 of them. Got him. Ha! Did I lose him anyways? He's tiny though. I'm not sure if I hooked him proper or not. Really? You gonna pull drag? Another one fell to the Super Glow 6-inch grub. There's 5 of them chasing me now. Oh. Jeez! Almost ripped it out of my freaking hand post. Fish. I just had to cut my jig off because that fish was overly wrapped. Wow, what a nightmare. Where the hell am I?
In a fish's mouth, probably.
Go, go, go. That's you. I'm below you, yeah. Breathe, Jason, breathe. As my wife would say, breathe. Well, folks, we landed a total of 69 lake trout today. I think, you know, plus or minus 1 or 2. It's hard to keep track of them all. But we caught 3 30-inch plus master angler for Vermont fish. And you know, there's probably spots on the lake, I've heard of spots on the lake that have a bigger average of fish. I just like hammering fish. We're both exhausted right now. So if you want to help support the channel, visit benefitfishing.company, that site. That's where we're using the big bait kit. And it was just a very successful day. And if you want to learn more about lake trout, click here, or you want to see one of the vlog style videos, I'll leave the banger day we had here where we caught 111 with 3 people. So math wise, we're doing better today than we have done ever, actually. So it's been a fantastic day, and it's 5:30 now. So I'll see you in one of those 2 other videos.